Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add superscript in Adobe Illustrator file. Open your Illustrator file. Now select Windows option and Active Control option. Now Active Type tool, click on this Type tool and firstly you have to select your text you want to make superscript. I will make this percentage superscript. Now click on this character option. Here we will find this superscript icon. Simply select here and see this percentage already make superscript. Also I'll increase this superscript font size and see this. This already make superscript. Also I'll make this one superscript. Simply select character option and you will find this superscript and see this. This also makes superscript. Yeah, in this way you can make all of this text superscript or a specific text and see this. I'll make this word superscript and see this. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.